Hair look even afro and shit. Listen, y'all need to get on me, man. Ever since I've been in Rochester, I promise you, I ain't shot really no content at all. I've just been dropping shorts, but that's terrible because that means I'm losing connection with y'all, which I'm not trying to do. But if y'all check my channel and y'all see the picture with me and the two guys, one on this side, one on that side, of the vlog of showing how they about to make like 140,000 off this one house, then y'all gonna understand that I already told y'all I was coming back here, and I ain't see the progress yet, but we about to go in here and see this progress, see what the hell is going on. This the neighborhood though. This house, when we came last time, if you see that sign right there, it was for sale, and I think it's almost sold now because it says sell pending. So these are the houses in the area. My boy Pat in the house. Just hung up the phone with him. I'm just happy to be here, man. Look, this is a new garage door because I do not remember this garage door. This shit look brand spanking new. When we came, I think the garage was even full. Look at this big ass dumpster. I know they paid a ticket for this dumpster. Damn. Bring back memories from when we was here probably about 2 months ago. They should be about done with this. I always loved that too. Fire. My boy Pat here throwing up these cabinets, man. Pat! Wagwan, brother. Hey, could you pause the music real quick? Just so that it don't copyright. So we about to get ready to head up in the crib. Y'all did all new windows? Or some of them was here?
All of them, but some of them didn't come in yet.
Okay. This looking good in here. Nice and bright. Wasn't this a door?
No, the door was here.
The door was there. Okay, yeah. Look good in here. Damn. Oh, man. Got the dimmer. Fire. How the process been, bro?
Been good.
Enjoying it?
For real. That's what we do, man.
Let's go in there, dishwasher?
Yeah.
Okay. You did all the cabinets?
Yeah, just started yesterday.
Just started yesterday, and they pretty much all in. The countertop came? Or are they coming to install?
I'm coming to measure soon.
Okay.
Once I get all this in.
Yeah. What floor y'all going with?
I have to get the truck.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I got a sample already.
These cabinets look good. That you gonna put that wood that's up there? The crown molding? Yes, sir. These cabinets look real good. These are just what, shaker style? How much the cabinets came up to?
6'5".
6,500?
Yeah.
Cause was these custom?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, these fire though.
They're clean, man.
I thought y'all was going with a color.
Cabinet?
Or did y'all change it?
Yeah. That.
It was gonna be like green or something, right? I thought, right? I might be tripping.
That was natural.
Natural.
Yeah, same.
Boy, Pat in here getting it done. Got the can lights all the way through. That's fire. Who did this, Henry? The can lights, or you did the lights?
I did it.
You did the lights. Yeah. The new door wasn't in here. Ooh, this hardwood floor look good too.
Yeah, bro. There's two up here.
Oh man, what y'all doing with this? Keeping it?
Yeah,
Got to.
yeah, buffing it.
Yeah, and
Probably
poly it.
I'm gonna stain it a little bit.
Yeah.
To match that one over there. The floor we're putting over there.
Okay.
Just similar.
Oh, so the floor. Okay.
So it flows.
Yeah. Oh, look at the window. Damn. How much was this? Oh, how much was this window?
1200.
1,200. It's custom.
Yep.
Home Depot.
No. Morrison. Henrietta. Morrison stash.
Damn. They had. How long it took them to get it? Once y'all gave them the dimensions.
Like 3 weeks.
That shit nice though. Ooh wee.
Big difference, right?
Hell yeah. 1200? That ain't bad at all. What y'all was gonna do with the fireplace?
The electric insert. Pretty much paint that.
Paint it what color?
It's like a whitewash, so it's gonna be white.
White.
Yeah, you're gonna see a little bit of the brick still.
Yeah. So it's gonna be like, okay, yeah.
Yeah, you know.
Dimmers all over?
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm loving it already. I want to know what that bathroom look like, but we could walk through the rest. Front door. Y'all changing the front door out, right?
Yeah.
And what was this down here again? Bathroom. And what else?
We finished with the garage too.
Y'all rock the garage? Oh. That look good. You did this?
No, I had some people there.
Yeah, that look way better. Keeping the same windows out here?
No, we're changing those.
Changing the windows too. When y'all plan on being done?
Bro, I'm trying to be done by third week in March.
Third week in March. So that'll put y'all, well, how many months here?
I can't really say, bro. We've been off and on.
Off and on, yeah.
Been doing other projects too.
Yeah.
So,
Basement. We go upstairs.
we started finishing the basement, still halfway.
Yeah. Oh, y'all gonna completely finish it? Oh,
Yeah,
damn. With the floating vanity, that's fire. Damn. It's clean. You did all the tile work, right? How much you to charge somebody to do this? The tile work.
Tile work. Depends. 35.
3,500?
Yeah.
That look good though. Neat. Damn. I love this. Clean.
Gold.
Yeah. 2 big pieces of tile.
You just gotta grow it.
Yep.
Same some big tile down here too.
Oh, you put this in?
Yeah.
Oh, this wasn't here.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. We just cover it up.
How many pieces? It's not. It's what is it? These ones, right?
These, let me show you. Here. Like 24 by 24.
Okay, yeah.
these
Square
big ones.
joints.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, them fire. Rooms. Got the good gold. These windows wasn't here.
No.
Yeah, new. And you did these.
Yeah, we did that.
Yeah.
Just did the trim around it too.
What y'all doing in here? Floor, carpet?
Yeah, carpet. No carpet, the whole upstairs.
Nice, nice. The molding. Oh, this fire.
Yeah, we changing all the trim, bro. Putting the bigger one.
Yeah.
Taking these smaller stuff out.
Oh, y'all gonna take that off?
Put these on.
That look. It do look better.
Yeah, right?
It do look better. I didn't even pay no attention.
Yeah.
He's saying basically, y'all, this trim is a little bigger compared to what's already here. This smaller trim, and that make a lot of sense.
Yeah.
Couple more dollars, but it's worth it.
For real.
Yeah. All new windows.
The windows, they didn't have sales, so we made those.
Yeah.
The bottoms.
Fire. He's saying they didn't have these. They made those. Custom.
Custom.
Yeah. These houses got pools in the backyard and everything out here.
For real.
What's been the best thing, the most fun thing for you so far with this?
The house,
Yeah.
it's the work.
Just the work,
Seeing the process.
seeing the process.
Yeah.
What's your favorite part of it so far?
Kitchen, bathroom.
Kitchen, bathroom. What was your initial timeline? Oh, I gotta go out here. What was the initial timeline?
On this project,
Yeah.
we were trying to be out in like 4 or 5 months.
Yeah.
Fucking HVAC, we couldn't get started until like 3 months in.
Oh.
Start nothing.
Yeah.
Yeah, so
What's going on out here? Just kind of like natural.
Probably clean it up.
Clean it up.
Floor down.
Put some flooring down.
Yeah.
Let it rock.
That's it.
Yeah. My boy Pat over here working.
I wanted to take it down, but it's too much.
What, this take this down? That's too much.
Yeah, bro.
Leave it. They'll love this. They gonna love this. I loved this when I first came here. Yeah, hell yeah, it's fire. Every house got a pool around this joint.
For real.
That might get y'all more money on the sale.
For real.
Putting that pool up. Probably just honestly get a loan for the pool. Think about it.
Yeah.
A loan for the pool will cost you what? You probably got to put like $5,000-$10,000 down and make monthly payments, but you could just pay the pool off once you sell the house.
Why you worry about the pool?
I'll let you take me to the basement.
Yeah, I want to get out of here.
Okay, yep.
Yeah.
Framed it up.
Halfway done. So, waiting on the HVAC guy to finish running some pipes so we can finish off right here.
Who's the HVAC guy?
They-
Okay, pretty good. It's the water tank, right?
Yeah.
You know what's crazy? I went to Atlanta and did a tour of a house, and this run right here was the very first hot water tank I saw ever on a wall
You
like
didn't
this.
stop?
No, I never saw this.
Oh, you
So
never
going
saw
to Atlanta,
Oh, okay.
I saw it and was like, oh, that's the hot water tank. I'm used to just seeing the actual.
The tank.
Yeah, I'm used to just seeing the actual tank. So
Yeah, these are fire, bro.
yeah, they probably last longer, huh?
You gotta maintain it. Once you turn it on, instant.
Yeah. What's the maintenance on it?
You gotta bleed it once a year.
You familiar with these a lot? You see them a lot?
See them, not really too familiar.
Yeah.
I saw one before.
Right. Yeah, that shit nice. Ah. Nice dry basement. Furnace. Good. This visit 2, visit 3, we're gonna make sure this house, maybe it might not be done.
Sealed up, man.
The house gonna be sealed up, visit 3?
Yeah, bro.
Pat said the house gonna be sealed up, visit 3. But if not, that's cool. I'm gonna just keep giving y'all progress updates.
For real.
Make sure y'all on me about staying consistent. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Bring y'all straight heat, straight pain. This is what we doing for a living. Young, under 30. I'm under 30. I got homies really flipping houses. I'm flipping houses. Getting to it, man. Make sure y'all lock in.